Hi guys, so this is another one, part of my Kimbolton selection box collection. This is the largest one I have, the emerald. I don't have the solitaire, but anyway, this is a decent box. Still in its wrapper, so we'll take this off and see what's inside. Just chuck that on the floor for now. Right that side. Right to begin with. There you are. Let's open it up and see what's inside this box. Got your firework code there. So we got these giant spinning banshee wheel and a monster spinning banshee wheel. So this one's got 5 motors, the other one's got 4. These are really loud, these are. And there's a few 1.3G items in there. Let's have a look at what we got. Carnival lights. Nice fountain there. I've fired quite a lot of these. I haven't fired this emerald box, but I fired the smaller sapphire. There's not a great deal of difference between the contents in there. Got this Emerald Cascade Fountain Mine combo. This Jack in the Box Fountain Mine combo. You have this multi-tube fountain jackpot spray. It's a big old fountain. This Diamond's Revenge multi-effect fountain. Quite a few tubes in there. Pretty heavy piece, this one. You have this Monster Gold Spray fountain, True Conic Fun. This is really good actually. I like this one a lot. And then there's this other one, the Monster Glittering Pearls. Another really good conic fountain by Kimbolton. Got these shot tubes in there, Sky Banshees. These just like produce a whistle. They're not, this one ejects stars. This one also ejects a whistle, so they're not air bombs, these ones. Got these 4 big candles. These Roman candles, this one's called Silver. You just see how big all these pieces are, look. This one is called Lightning. This next one's called Whistling. This other one's called Star Mines. Lovely packaging on the Kimbolton. And then you have this Leaping Comets, pretty unusual looking piece. This is just like for cosmetic reasons, I guess you stick it in the ground. And then you got your 4 joined up candles in there. I'm not really a big fan of this one. So it says details of effects, fires a barrage of multicoloured stars. You used to get this one in the Platinum box, in the old version of the Platinum box. I wasn't particularly keen on this piece. Then you're left with a multitude of cakes. So you got this one, Raging Bull. Fucking brilliant film that is. 7 shots of crackling comets. This is really heavy as well. Then Whistling Jets. Eject stars and whistles. Fires 16 loud silver whistles with red stars. You can see the effects in there. This other one, Apricot Blossom, 16-shot battery again. So this one details red-tailed stars burst into crackling bombettes. And the last one of these 16-shotters, the Emerald Spray. The effects read, green-tailed comets burst into contrasting green and violet bombettes. Really nice little cake, that one. I always like green with violet or green with purple. Always really like that effects. And then last of all, you got this one. This is a bit of a classic Kimbolton cake, the Satan's Polar Bear. Injects whistles and bangs. Noisy battery with whistles, crackles, bangs and screechers. So that's a pretty big, hefty cake to get in a selection box. So all pretty decent. Got your finale there. You've got, where is it? These 4 cakes. The Apricot Blossom, Whistling Jets, Emerald Spray and Raging Bull. You've got this one here, which I ain't a fan of. Leaping Comets. Got these decent candles. 4 big Roman candles. 3 shot tubes. Whistlers and one and like comets. And then you've got all these nice big fountains with multiple effects. These 2 true conic fountains, which are absolutely amazing. I love those 2 pieces. And then you have a couple of fountain mine combos, Jack in the Box and Emerald Cascade. There's a red one as well of these, which I can't remember what the name is, but it's not in this box. I've got it somewhere else as a singular item. It's actually in one of the videos that I've posted previously. And then you have this fountain, kind of with the lights, which is pretty decent. And then these 2 big wheels, the infamous Banshee wheels. That's really loud. Have a really earpiece and whistle on these ones. So there you have it. Another really good selection box. This one by Kimbolton Fireworks.